Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to collect form submissions with Elementor. If you're building a contact page, survey, or sign-up form on your WordPress site, collecting those submissions properly is essential for managing responses and staying connected with your audience. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages section in the left sidebar and click on Add Page. This will create a new page where your form will live. Type in a name for your page, something like sign up or contact us, whatever fits your purpose. After naming it, click on Edit with Elementor to open the page in Elementor's visual editor. Now that you're inside Elementor's editor, look over to the left panel where all the widgets are listed. In the search bar, type Form to quickly locate the form widget. This widget is what allows you to build custom forms directly on your page. Once you find it, drag and drop the form widget onto your page layout. You'll see a basic form structure appear with fields like name, email, and message already included by default. Here's where things get important. You can customize the form fields, adjust the layout, and style it to match your website's design. However, in order to actually collect form submissions with WordPress using Elementor, you must upgrade to Elementor Pro first. The free version of Elementor allows you to design the form, but it doesn't include the functionality to capture and store submissions. Elementor Pro unlocks features like email notifications, integrations with CRM tools, and the ability to view submissions directly in your WordPress dashboard. Without the Pro version, your form will look great but won't be able to send or save any data. Once you've upgraded to Elementor Pro, you'll gain access to additional settings within the form widget. You can configure where form submissions are sent, set up automated email replies, connect to services like MailChimp, and even store submissions in your WordPress database. This makes it easy to manage leads, track responses, and follow up with users who fill out your form. And that's it. You've set up the foundation for collecting form submissions with Elementor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.